Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, Aphria, the only company that had some news today. They're getting listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol APHA, and they will get their listing on November 2nd, 2018. Unlike Aurora, they didn't bang on the drum. They just said, oh, we're listing on the New York Stock Exchange, and then they give the date and the ticker symbol. And no, that's it. That's good. I like that. But Aurora's like bamming on the tin can for a while, releasing a little bit of news every like few days, every week. Maybe Aphria's watching my video and like, okay, maybe we shouldn't bang on the drum too much on this. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Anyways, so I was somebody linked me this video last night, so I decided to watch it. These guys went out to Alberta and BC and just bought a bunch of product and went back and reviewed it. And all they have to say, these guys are like dedicated stoners. They get like really good shit from the black market. I think the black market, either that or they grow it themselves, one of the two. I can't remember exactly what they talked about, but they were bitching, complaining how the weed had pesticides on them, and they had black spots on them, and half of them were like, most of it was like weak and not even that great. And they were bitching about Aurora weed a little bit. They said that Aurora weed wasn't that great, and they said Canopy. They didn't really bitch on Canopy too much, but they bitched on Broken Coast. They said that the Broken Coast product had mold on it, and then there was like one product that they complimented really a lot, and then this guy right here. He said that the Metro Leaf, he really likes the Metro Leaf product, the San Rafael products. So, and I'm kind of similar too. Most of the products that I've ran across is kind of mediocre to okay. But the Metro Leaf products, now that's prime shit. The smell off the Metro Leaf product is super strong, and it smokes real nice, and I really enjoyed the Metro Leaf products. This guy also enjoyed the Metro Leaf products. I think Metro Leaf is on another level. I think Metro Leaf has the best product right now. I haven't tried any Broken Coast yet, but from all the pot I smoked so far, I think Metro Leaf has the best products on the market right now. I think they're better than Aurora. I think Aurora is under Canopy. Canopy product is better than Aurora, and Metro Leaf product is better than Canopy's product. Like Metro Leaf right now, it has the best product. I still haven't tried Broken Coast yet. In here they said that there was mold on the Broken Coast product. Yesterday I said that I would do a wake and bake for Edson Cannabis product, and all I have to say is it's kind of weak. I mean, yeah, I still feel high, but no, not as high as I would be if I was smoking something else. So yeah, yes and no. I mean, yeah, it's still gets me high, but I don't feel it that much. I kind of barely feel it. Still functional properly, but there's some there's like, if I was smoking Metro Leaf right now, oh man, I'd be out of it. But you know, smoking Essen, Organigram, sorry, it's okay. The weed doesn't smell, it barely smells, and I think they gave me under the amount I'm supposed to have, because I opened it and I was like, okay, this doesn't look like a gram, but you know what, I don't care, I got money. Yeah, that's all I really have to say about it. Like, they bitch and complain about all the cannabis products. I don't disagree with them. I mean, most of them is not that great, in my opinion. Just my opinion, though. Like, I tried Emblem, I tried Aphria, I tried Organigram, I tried Hip. they're all kind of the same, mediocre in my opinion. Tomorrow is, after the market close today will be Facebook's earning. Right now, Facebook is trading at 142.56. Bar chart gives it a strong sell. So I don't know if they're expecting reports to come out to be horrible, but I think bar charts just kind of regulate on how much the market has sold off lately, and they just gave Facebook a sell. But going into earnings, anybody buying going into earnings is gambling the fact that Facebook will flip a profit. I mean, Facebook will flip a profit, but Mark Zuckerberg is going to do a grand slam out of the park, and the stock will rise massively. Or, you know, they're running into even more problems, because right now Facebook is facing a lot of problems. So they could be running into problems, and the stock could decline even further. It could go down to 130, maybe 125 after earnings come out. So we'll see, but we'll see. But my feeling is either the stock's going to go down a lot, like $10, or it's gonna go like up $15. I'm hoping it goes the other direction, because there's a lot of people who have Facebook stock, and I would hate to see them, you know, get butthurt from this. So I do hope that Facebook goes the other direction. But if Facebook goes the opposite direction, it just makes it more of a buying opportunity for me, because I don't own any Facebook shares. I'm just saying, I mean, you could if you gamble on Facebook, long term, probably not to worry about it. Short term, because of the market, we're in a bear market. I don't know. Like I honestly, like, in the last 5 days, it's already gone down 8.67%. Long term, I still think long term Facebook's gonna be a giant. Short term, might have some growing pains, or stock growing pains, anyway, share price growing pains. So we'll see. I still believe we're secretly in a market crash, but no, that's just that's what I think. So I've been working on this video for a while. Kush bottles. I do own a little bit stock of this. I was hoping the stock would have a massive decline, because, you know, we're in the age of opportunity right now before I add a position to this. But there's so much stock on sale that it's like, do I really want to buy Kush bottles, or there's other stocks I can put my money towards, you know? I'm making a video on Kush bottles right now. I've been getting lazy, I've been getting busy, and mostly lazy, and I mean, I'm almost done. I'm like 75% done the video. I just have like that 25% left before I can release it to my members on my group. Hopefully I get motivated tonight, and then I have it released tomorrow. Because I could have done it last night, but I was just like feeling extremely lazy last night, and I was like, I don't feel like doing anything. So I didn't do shit. I just watched Netflix all night, and that's it. And tried to go to sleep early so I can wake up for the stock market. Probably gonna go back to sleep after this video's over. So let's see where Aurora is today. Oh, Aurora had a nice bounce in the morning, and now people are selling off, and the stock's pulling back a little bit. Horizon was weak in the morning, had a bounce, and pulled back too. They all kind of act similar, so I mean, if they're all like kind of affected by one. It's like one big money manipulating the stock, in my opinion. Let's see what Canopy is doing. Canopy was up this morning and still stabilizing. Interesting. So Canopy's not being affected too much from this. There's no news from any of these big producers. I think next month will be a good month for the weed stocks, because earnings are coming. Canopy's gonna be getting their $5 billion cash soon. So it's hard for me to see. I think next month could be a big rally for these stocks, or we could be heading for a stock market crash, because Apple could come in. If Facebook crashed the stock, because Facebook's part of the FANG stock, and Apple crashes the stock, oh dear Lord, I mean, if Apple fails to deliver on earnings, and Facebook, the entire FANG stock would fail to deliver, the stock could dramatically decline big time if the FANGs don't. I mean, if Apple does not deliver on their earnings and increase the price of stock, because Apple is the king of the hill, right? If Apple falls, they all come falling down. So let's hope Apple does some good numbers, and then we can see a nice rally in November. And this is not really a stock market crash, but if Apple does horrible numbers, we could be in a market crash. Just my opinion though, not advice. I mean, just my opinion. Like, it might not happen. Aphria, let's see what Aphria is. Wow, they're up $1. Like, seriously? Wow, $1 from a New York Stock Exchange listing. Aurora announced a New York Stock Exchange listing. The stock did the opposite. Like, what the hell? I would laugh if like Aphria goes up to like the New York Stock Exchange and the stock just skyrockets back to $20, and while Aurora just sits there and like, what's going on? Why is our stock still like here? I mean, I could totally see that as a possibility. I mean, I highly doubt it, but I see a positive possibility. Yeah, it's interesting. Let's see what happens. I think November might be a good month for these weed stocks because of earnings. There's a lot of big companies with legalization earnings coming out, and those numbers should be pretty awesome. See what Hexo is. Hexo's up a little bit today. It looks like a slightly green day for the weed stocks, but could be another bear trap. But you know what? The stock's already been declining so much that I think it's going to be a green day today. I have a feeling it's going to be a green day today, but you know, I could come out later today and say, oh, I was wrong. It's not a green day. It's another ugly, ugly red day. Let's see where Aurora is. Oh, look, back to green, back to 802. Interesting. No sell off. I'm a shareholder. Disclosure, I'm a shareholder of this stock. Yes, up 3 cents. I bought some shares this morning. At the lowest. I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna gamble on Wayline because out of all the, I think Wayline is still undervalued. I still like the asset. They're right now they're producing about 36,000 kilograms, which is okay, which is not bad for the market cap. I mean, 36,000 kilograms, that is like 80% of that can be shipped to Europe or it can be sold in the Canadian rec market. And I've tried to find the product to sample it out, and it's always sold out. It's very hard to find Wayline product. I know that Wayline does not have enough inventory to supply the Canadian rec market, but yeah, that's all I have to say about that. I mean, they don't have that much inventory, so, and right now everything's selling out, so that's why Wayline product is consistently sold out. I thought I was able to buy some yesterday, but it was sold out as soon as I went to the counter. Like, nope, sorry, we're sold out of this product. And then I asked him, do you have any Wayline product? He's like, nope. And then I went to Alcana. They also didn't have Wayline product. In Alcana, it was even worse than Fire and Flower. In Alcana, everything was sold out. There was like, I think like a total of 6 or 7 products that was available, and half of them were Canopy. So like, Canopy has a lot of product to sell. Aurora and Naturally product completely sold out, both at Fire and Flower and Nova. So yeah, I'm just telling you guys what I see, so I'm just reporting back. I wonder if oh no, I did say that. June. Ooh, well, you could gamble on June. It's been $1. It's not seen an incline like the rest of the weed stocks. This is like a craft producer that's also opening up dispensaries called June. They could do pretty decent in the future. I mean, for revenue wise, they are a craft producer, so they make super high quality product. And Aurora owns 7% of this company. and I might just buy some because it hasn't increased yet. I might buy some before I release this video. We'll see. IAN. Damn it! I wish I bought something in this morning. I was hoping this declines back down to $4, but you never know. Like, stock market crash, it could cause this stock to decline to $4. I'm hoping maybe $3. I'm not gonna aim for $2. $2, like, no, $3. But I'll probably start buying at $4. So I'm hoping the market crashes and the stock goes to $4. Please go to $4 so I can buy you cheap. Please. If not, I'll just leave you alone. Man. Somebody requested me to do a video on Man and versus Ianthus. Right now, Man is like the king of the hill in the US, and Ianthus is with MPX is just slightly behind them. AMD. What are AMD? AMD's on the negative. Oh, AMD's rising today. Ooh, that's crazy. Up 12 cents. Well, wait. Tesla. Where see Tesla is today? Tesla is, kind of hovering around 330. If we were in a bear market, I would say the stock would be $400 by now. Just saying. But we're in a bear market, so people are cautious and not really pumping money into Tesla. Just in case, stock declines back down to like 300 or 250. Just my opinion, though. That's what I think is going on with Tesla. People are scared to, really invest into Tesla because it might have a reversal. Let's see where Aurora ended today. Come on, up. Yes, going up slightly in Wayland. Yes, up still. Come on, decline. Interesting. Should I think maybe I'll put a 91 cents. No, I'll just put 92 cents order. If the stock declines back, oh well. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this content. Subscribe for future updates, and don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you, and see you later. Bye.